Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the POV Beauty Drip It Nourishing Glow Serum. This product retails for $36. This is the first product that I am trying from POV Beauty, and I've seen so much talk about it online. Not really sure what to expect. I haven't seen a lot of reviews, and the ones that I've seen were paid promotion, which it's not that I don't trust those. I just always want to feel a product for myself. I purchased this myself. I am going into this completely unbiased. I personally didn't have any issues with shipping with this product. That's something that I've seen, and I wanted to address this in the first video that I am doing of this brand because I am going to be trying most of the products. Their primer I didn't feel like was the best suitable for me because I'm mostly just skincare focused. The Drip It serum was what I wanted to start out with because it's what I've seen the most people talking about. Great hydration benefits, great plumping benefits. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. In this formula, they use a 2% ferment vital complex, panthenol, and a mega mirrored molecular complex. Check out the full ingredients and more about these complexes. You can click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left the full ingredient list in the description as well. I'm noticing balancing ingredients. I'm noticing hydrating ingredients. A lot of great ingredients in here. They do use soybean, which is an extract. I usually do better with those with my acne prone skin. I usually experience breakouts with the product within the first week of using it, so I'm going to be testing if I experience any acne with this. I also want to see how this product feels, what the texture is, what the hydration level is. As for anything else, I'm continuing to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with the serum. Very high quality packaging. I think it is glass. Not for sure on that. I'm very excited. It has ingredients like niacinamide, snow mushroom, panthenol, soybean, which I'm a little bit nervous for. I am hit or miss with if it causes acne or not. I'm really excited to use this continuously though, because from what I've seen, the hydration benefits get better over time, and I've not seen very much. I'm trying to go into this as blind as possible. It has some weight to it. Like, you can see as it ran down my skin and as it's blending in, it definitely has a little bit of weight to it. Super shiny, super glowy, and it kind of just blends into the skin really nice. It's not sticky whatsoever. It's a very lightweight hydration serum. Take just a few drops out. See how this feels on the face. Okay, it's very lightweight. This is definitely a serum I think is going to be better on damp skin, especially considering the ingredients in here. Very lightweight serum. I'm not experiencing sensitivity. That's just, I have very bad reactive skin, and that's why my skin is turning red. But super lightweight. I definitely would recommend applying this on damp skin because it is fairly lightweight. Doesn't really add much to the face. So, I mean, the price point is pretty expensive for this product. I can't lie, $36 for a hydrating serum. I mean, the ingredients are there. Let's see if the results and if the performance backs that up, because ingredients are just one thing. It really comes down to a lot of factors with how a product performs. I can definitely see a little bit of glow and bounce to my skin, but it's very subtle. I know of some more budget-friendly hydrating serums and they don't have these ingredients in them, but if I see the same results with those, I don't know. I'm gonna go into this with an open mind and see. I'll keep you posted on this product, seeing how it performs, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I'm going to talk about my experience with it first, and then I'm going to talk about some potential alternatives if you're not willing to spend this much on a hydration serum. I don't know of a hydration serum that has the same technology, has the same amazing ingredients as this product, especially for a more affordable price point. I really enjoyed my experience with it, and I felt like it got better the more that I continued to use it. Definitely a little bit more light at first, didn't leave a heavy finish on the skin, but with more continued use, I noticed my skin was more hydrated, provided more of a long-lasting and nourishing benefit the longer that I continued to use it. So my biggest advice with this product is if you do use it and you're not seeing the most hydration benefits with it, remain consistent with it. I personally found I could use it twice a day, every day. And with the skin identical ingredients, along with saccharomyces, some amazing fermented ingredients that personally didn't cause acne, and its ability to hydrate the skin in a long-lasting way made it really worth it in my opinion. They also utilize polyglutamic acid and olive oil, which has been hit or miss with my acne-prone skin. Also soybean extract, which has also been hit or miss with me. I was glad to say that none of those ingredients personally caused acne with me, and this was a really nice, nourishing hydration serum. It is a pretty steep price point, and I do feel like the ingredients kind of back those up, and the results that I saw with this serum backed it up as well. However, I do want to provide a couple more budget-friendly and different technologies to hydration serums, just in case you're looking for either some alternatives, either you're sensitive to an ingredient in here, or you're just not willing to pay that much. I've also seen some people saying that this is not as intended for oily skin, which I could see that with the more long-lasting nourishment with this product. Definitely more of a dry skin layering product in my opinion, but could work for almost any skin type, maybe just not really oily skin. Experiment Beauty made one of my favorite hydration serums. It combines a great complex like this, not exactly the same. That serum is a little bit more heavy, but still one of my favorite hydration serums I have ever tried, and is loaded down with so many great ingredients. Similar to this, has glycerin, has polyglutamic acid, just a different complex and some different ingredients. I will say that product was a little bit more hydrating and nourishing than this one. Still figuring out if I will repurchase this product. I need to finish it to see that. This was more of just a first impression review. Experiment Super Saturated has been a holy grail of mine for a while. If you're looking for more of an oily skin way to hydrate your skin, Prequel's Multi-Quench also uses a wonderful technology that is similar to this, not identical and not the same, but has some qualities that I feel like oily skin would more appreciate in this product. Polyglutamic acid is the main standout hydrator, and it is a little bit more lightweight, but packs a punch. The POV is in the middle of both of those serums, and that's why I wanted to bring up those options, both for a more budget-friendly option and also different textures to a hydration serum. I really enjoyed this product. Like I said, I need to finish it before I will conclude if I will repurchase it. Right now, I see it being worth it. I don't go through this product very quickly, and I would recommend applying it on damp skin. Just use a couple of drops of it, and like I said, it gets better the longer that you use it. I do also know they're struggling to keep this product in stock. It is sold out at the time of me filming this, so if you are looking for a more budget-friendly option, I would recommend either of the two that I suggested. They are usually always in stock, so it is a way to get a hydration serum that you may fall in love with before this one, but still this is a good option if you have access and the means to invest in it. I feel like this is definitely one of the more standout products from this brand, at least from what I've tried so far, and I'm really excited to see what else this brand has to offer. This is a really good first impression with it. I will still reevaluate if I'm going to repurchase this product once I finish it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.